Hello, my name is Scott. I have had Angel water treatment equipment in my home serving my wife, myself, and our 3 children for several years. We currently have a water softener, an iron filter, and a reverse osmosis system. We are on a local private well, and while the water quality is really good, it's super important to me that I would know that my family is safe and that all our fixtures and all the equipment in our home stays in the best condition possible. I met Andrew Wilson and Angel Water many years ago through the water business, but have become really good friends with him based on his passion, integrity, and capability to provide an awesome solution that actually does what it's supposed to do. Our products have been in place currently for about 5 years, and they have worked the best of anything I've had in that property. Thanks a lot for everything you do to help us have clean, safe water and to have the peace of mind to know that my family is taken care of and safe with the water we're consuming and using every day.